For languages, I speak English, a bit of Hmong, and Japanese. 안녕하세요. 골룸베이후와 Finana. konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? My Japanese is a bit rusty since I last studied, so hopefully I can get better at it during my studies. Is Hmong a difficult language? Oh god, sorry, my weird tone of voice just changed. I didn't know if it... Oh, I can't English! I didn't know even... Oh, it wasn't me, sorry. It was the sentence that was written that way. Okay, they were trying to say, I didn't even know it was a language until I saw your debut stream. But now I'm kind of curious about it. It is a difficult language to pronounce. Especially the language itself. People have difficulty saying the word Hmong. Because the H is supposed to be silent. So when I grew up, people would always say it wrong. Like, they would always come up to me and they're like, is Hmong Mongolian? Or something like that. And I'm like, no? Or they'll be like, oh, are you a monk? And I'm like, no, that's not it. Hmong is a language from Thailand and Laos region. That's not it. Mongus. Ah! I hate how it fits so perfectly. Ah, gosh. But yeah, it's not a very common Asian language, so I'm hoping that I'm doing a good job of showing it off in some way. Because the language and culture isn't very known to a lot of people out there, so I hope everyone can realize that we exist too, you know? Next question. Can I speak it? I don't know, I'm not very good at it myself, actually. When I was a little fishy, my mom and dad, they were speaking to me in Hmong, but when I went to school, I couldn't talk to any other fish. They all spoke English, and so that's when I became antisocial and I couldn't talk to anybody else, and I felt left out. So I only know some basic words. Like, my parents, they mostly just speak English in the house, but it's not that sad of a story. It's just me being a dumb idiot who can't understand two languages at once when being a little fish. I can teach one phrase. Let's do I love you. Let's see here. I'll make this a little bigger. A teensy wincy bigger. We'll do I love you. So, and also writing and pronouncing these is also very hard too. So the Hmong translation of this would be gu hlu ko. So you can say gu hlu ko. Oh god, I'm so embarrassed. So embarrassed to say it. So yeah, if you ever want to say I love you in Hmong, you can say Guluka. It's kind of like, so the K kind of sounds a little bit like a G, and the V is a bit like silent. And Lu, you could just pretty much remove the B part, and then Ga, you can get rid of the J part. Oh gosh, I'm so embarrassed. It's so embarrassing. You guys are making me shy. That's my Hmong 101 for you. You can also just say hello, which is Nyajong. Let's see. I've never taught Hmong to other people before, so this is very weird to me. You could just say, gosh, how do I make it easy for English speakers? Shoot. You can say, nya. It's kind of like saying, like nya, kind of, but like nya. Like, kind of like a southern accent type of thing. Like, you can say nya, and then you can say zhong, nya zhong. It's kind of like pronouncing Zhongli's name in Genshin, like that kind of Zhong. So you could say it like that if it helps you. So yeah, close enough, right? Gosh, all the Hmong people are gonna be like, "What the heck is she doing?" Gosh, that's not it. So, yeah, that's a little bit of language knowledge for you. Yeah. Alright, moving on.